The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for all of Indiana and Illinois until 8 p.m. This is a tornado emergency. At 4:40 p.m., spotters reported a large and extremely dangerous tornado near Springfield, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Source: Doppler radar confirmed tornado. Hazard: you are in a life-threatening situation. A large tornado, soccer ball-sized hail, and 130-mile-per-hour winds have been reported. This storm will be near Champaign around 5 p.m., Schererville around 5:15 p.m., Merrillville around 5:20 p.m., Fort Wayne around 5:40 p.m. Locations impacted include Iliana Motor Speedway, Fair Oaks Farm, Parkview Field, and Fort Wayne Children's Zoo. Moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a main building.